Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install ComfyUI with Pinocchio. So first what you have to do is install Pinocchio. Go to pinocchio.computer, click on download, just click on Windows and download for Windows. So it will download Pinocchio. After Pinocchio is installed, just extract the Pinocchio folder and go to Pinocchio folder and install it. So after you have installed, so after installation the Pinocchio will look like as you can see I have already installed some models. So right now we are going to install ComfyUI. So just go to discover, just type in the search bar ComfyUI and click on the ComfyUI and click on download. You can rename as you want, but I am going to keep it as it is and click on download. Now click on install. Depending on the internet connection, it will take some time to install. So as you can see, the ComfyUI has been installed on my computer. Just click on the ComfyUI and now it is getting started. It will take some time to start. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates, as I am going to upload more ComfyUI tutorials on this channel. And also if you haven't watched N8N tutorials, also watch the N8N tutorials and how to integrate on your local system through Docker. You can watch the video. I will put the link in the description. So now you can see our ComfyUI has been installed and the web UI is running. So if you want to download the models, whatever model you want to download, click on the model manager and from here you can download the models. Whatever model you want, you can download the models. Whatever LoRa or whatever VAE, whatever you want, you can just download it. If you want more detailed videos about the ComfyUI, just comment down and I will upload the more detailed version of it. And you can also explore some flows from here. For image, you can click on the image tab. These are the workflows, pre-built workflows. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment whatever question you have, and see you in the next video.